Hello, myself Ramakrishnan. This is Vinayak. So here from person to the yes, basically, culture data basically are connected up to weather change. That is the climate change. Basically. That's why basically 100 crore basically are spent in this cultural creation software. Basically. That is basically created by some American group. So that's why basically they, because American group basically have the real data basically. For example, text box equal to 1,000 cities. This 1,000 cities where basically this data basically American group basically have. American groups basically have this data. So here one person told that so one culture software basically is mapping to the weather basically, that is the climate basically. So they basically exactly basically that's why basically the government basically knows everything in advance basically that in this area basically Mumbai city basically heavy rain is going to come. In this Mumbai area basically the tufan is going to come. In Mumbai area basically the temperature will be normal. In Mumbai area basically the heat wave is going to come basically. So this all basically how basically that is predicted basically without any source basically without any data basically that is not possible. So 1% of the yes basically that is not possible basically. So like this basically things are connected basically and this everything is done basically everything is done basically. So here one person asked the question basically each and every human body parts are basically used. That is 100% sure. But the building owners basically, who are the real owner of the building basically, that is the flats basically, that data basically are used in some special way. That is the natural creation basically. For example, 15 lakh liter oil basically is going to produce. That is produced through flats owner, and that flat owner basically become flat owner basically how that is decided by the companies basically, that is the big businessman basically, and that is basically India basically. Whatever they basically do, the entire India basically do that only basically. So next you basically